What you doing, apart from getting in my way?
Moan about my scaffolding. If you hurried up and did the floor, you wouldn't have to moan about it.
Well, I'll hurry up then, shall I?
I've got board waiting for you. I had to carry on.
Carry on doing...
I got so bored I've gone back to gold leafing.
Have you? Oh my God, you are bored. Gold leafing what?
I have decided to the trim around these doors, 6 panels, to match the trim that goes around the panels down there. So this is the first coat of the gold paint. 2 coats of gold paint, then the gold leaf.
If I've got this correct, what you're saying is the gold leaf that you've done here, you feel now it needs something on the doors.
It does.
Similar. All 6 panels.
On each door.
God, you really are going to get in my way then, aren't you?
Oh, shush. Stop moaning. If you fathomed it out, get on with it.
Oh no, I haven't got a clue what I'm doing now, but I'm just going with the flow, as people say. Just go with the flow. If it looks all right, let's get on with it. I'll make up my own pattern. We can be unique. Someone said, get your name put on the floor. So just for everyone out there, names on the floor. So if anyone pulls it up, they know who to blame.
So I believe some people have been saying more gold. Well, here we have it. Still to be brushed off, but shining bright. We have more gold on all 3 sets of internal doors. And this ties the band around the panels in very nicely. It shines so nicely like that, I just might leave it. But fear not, I should be brushing it off, collecting all the excess, as a friend has said she would like it for when she makes birthday cards.
Well, at last we have some sunshine outside. Actually, it's gorgeous, but I guess makes no difference to us. So you decided, I've had enough, I'm going to get on with the finishing the last pelmet.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I couldn't wait for your floor any longer.
What floor?
I was missing gold. Literally missing gold.
Oh, I'm not missing my floor.
Yeah, so I'm just finishing off where I started like a few months ago.
Well, breaking it up, as we've said before, is not a bad thing, is it? Don't keep doing it.
I started painting these frames ready to put the curtains up, but I ran out of paint. I'm running out of everything again.
I believe you ran out of something else on your curtains. I heard you swearing yesterday.
I ran out of thread after going all that way to buy heading tape, and then ran out of thread.
So we got to go all the way back again to buy thread, have we?
That's the trouble when you live in the country, everything's so far away.
It is, isn't it? But, oh well, at least they shut late so we can sort of finish work at 5 and then wander over there maybe.
So I've just got these 2 patches here to do.
Yes, I'm hoping that it can be seen.
Unfortunately, this one's coming away, so I'll have to glue that on. That's the bit I made out of silicone.
Oh, okay.
Paint it gold, continue with the gold leaf.
And then that's finished?
No.
Oh.
Because if you look on the other side, that needs painting as well.
I can't, someone put a scaffolding tower in the way.
But we're getting there, getting there.
We are, yes. Anyone think it's cold in here the way you're dressed? You're skiing.
It is. I thought I'd feel your cracks.
Yeah, please say that correctly this time.
I thought I'd feel your cracks.
Go on then.
Gold leaf. I've lost the plot today.
We should auction off all that gold leaf.
Oh, actually, I thought we could pick it up.
Yeah.
And put it in clear baubles for Christmas. Hang it on the tree.
Overthinking again. Overthinking.
Anyway, this is the moment of truth where I can tell if I've done a good job of applying the glue or not. It's the fun bit, but it's also the daunting bit, and it's going to tell me how much touching up I've got to do.
So, shall I stand back a bit, or do you want me to come closer?
Do as you please.
And?
Oh, yeah, see, look.
What does that mean? Look.
I overspilt the glue there, so I have to go back and touch it up with paint.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. If I'm not careful with the glue, it ends up all over the place. That brush isn't hard enough.
I think that looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, well, you know you need your eyes testing. That looks good.
You're smiling, so that's a good sign.
I'm always smiling. So apart from that bit there, that doesn't look too bad. There you go.
How many of those you got to do?
Wouldn't it be really nicer if all of that was gold? Look how it glows. But it's not happening. It's not happening because...
So why'd you say it, you silly girl? Everyone's going to say, yes, it looked really good if it was all gold. You've just given yourself a ton of work.
No, it's not happening.
We don't have enough gold in here, do we?
I've nearly run out again.
Yeah. Yeah. You spent all the gold when you went shopping with Terry. It's quite a therapeutic doing that, isn't it? I guess it's all in the preparation before.
It's just time consuming.
Is it?
Beautiful day here in France on a Saturday afternoon, and we've come out to look at a mini digger for Adrian. He's always wanted one to do the drive. Me, I rather fancy the look of this little tractor to cart the logs around in. So a friend of a friend is selling this, and Adrian's been interested for a while to do the drive and dig up the bamboo and other things. So he's just having a look around it. It is old and decrepit like the rest of us. And it will need some work apparently. Maybe we can do a deal and get this at the same time for the field.
Yes. What are we doing here?
It's a bit of a nasty day, isn't it?
Sprinter. Mercedes has given up, so I found us a little. I was only one seat. Where are you going to sit?
So, what do you think? Any good? Is this what you want?
This is what we need to start doing some work in the and the landscaping of the garden, etc. Isn't it? I've given up using a spade, so I thought I'd buy you a mini digger.
I could have some fun in that, couldn't I? Do a few donuts on the lawn.
You could, yes.
I'll get stuck in that, and you can get stuck in the cherry picker.
You can go pecan shopping with Terry and that. There you go. But yes, it's the next thing we need, and we'll seriously give that consideration. Yeah.
Light works on it as well, so you can work during the night.
Work in the night. Highly unlikely.
We don't do night working. Yes.
So it's 1 o'clock in the morning, and we've all been woken up by the wind coming through. The bedroom doors have been blown open twice, and Adrian's got up to do an inspection and found out that there's a great big puddle in the salon. Thankfully I took the curtains down. He's then gone into Bethany's room and they've blown open, so he's in there now screwing, doing DIY at this time in the morning. Meanwhile, Tia, bless her, is curled up in bed wondering what's going on, aren't you? She's in the best place, aren't you? Waiting for me to get back into bed. Now for an update on Adrian's floor. Only joking. Morning, darling. We're just trying to lighten the mood this morning, aren't we?
Cheeky cow. What's wrong with my floor?
Oh, typical. So, as I said, we were up at 1 a.m. Adrian was battening down the hatches, so to speak, after the wind last night and the rain. Thankfully, it's all starting to dry out. Got the dehumidifier on. There was a puddle down here, wasn't there? I didn't come down, I stayed in bed.
It wasn't a puddle, it was a pond.
A pond down here. Well, it's dried out well. Did you use the window vac?
No, a mop and bucket.
I have seen all the tails hanging up everywhere, but it has taught us a lesson. We need to, when we know the forecast is going to be that bad, we need to shut the metal shutters that are on the outside. I think it's because it was so cold before we went to bed, we didn't really want to go out there and do it, but should have done.
Well, we knew there was wind coming in. And I don't think it was forecast that much. I think I read it went over 100 kilometres an hour. So that was windy. It did seem windy, didn't it?
Yeah, we've spoken to a few people this morning, and I think we've done pretty well just to have the windows blow open.
Definitely.
And the water coming in. There's been quite a few trees down and some tiles missing from other people's.
But it did teach us something. Well, we learned something from it. Explain.
Oh, yes. So that is the reason we think that all that section there of parquet is missing, because it would have been damaged from all the water over the years when the house was empty.
Definitely. I mean, what came in was a very large puddle. That would have just sat there. It was sat on top of the flooring, and it was just rotted away. So that definitely explains. It definitely explains that section. I did do some repairs. Do you remember earlier? Last year on that door. So perhaps that would have been the same problem over there. So I reckon that's why the whole of that section down there is rotten. And actually, do you remember the biggest repair I had to do when I had to put new floorboards in, etc., new joist? That area was the part that was really damaged. So that would explain it.
And it also means that we're going to have to spend this year trying to sort out the windows.
Yes.
Unfortunately. Nice fire though. Thank you. I might sit there and recover.
Don't blame you. Especially when it's -4. I think actually, I can't moan. I think it might be colder in England.
Yeah, now we've got the snow and the ice coming in. We can't win. Anyway, we're not as bad off as other people, so that's a good thing.
Right, that's the line done. Ready for me to trim up. I'm going to leave this one just for a moment, just to make sure I'm happy, because I'd like to get the top piece in. Tap these, just tap them up towards there before I put this last cut in. But for the moment, I've managed to acquire quite a lengthy trim for the border. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that in where that short one is at the moment, so it will come up here, and then that will lock that pattern in as well, so I can get that cleaned up and put in place. Then I will put all the pieces in along here, because they'll all be tracked in. So that's my job this afternoon, straight this evening, possibly straight tomorrow. I guess where there's a will, there's a way. I'll grab your gamma. That seems to be working. So as I said before, I'm pretty sure it's got to be there on that radiator. I've managed to get a 100mm framework down here. That, I'll have to find some timber now to do the section across the top, so it joins up there. Now I can then correctly get these right and get this trim in here, and slowly start working my way down this side. This is the doorway out to the terrace, and then I can start filling in the blanks. Blankety blank.
What about the one in your head?
Oh god, the one in my head is completely blank. So yes, a little bit of a challenge messing around with that, but at least it seems to work, and bits seem to come together that sort of match in, like I said, that square in the corner. Unfortunately, I think I might have to do a trip out. Carol with a cotton she's run out of has put her on hold doing the curtains. Whilst Carol is on hold, she's in here annoying me with gold everywhere, on the doors, etc. So I need to get her back on curtains and get her out of this room. Right, so some of these, I've done the groove bits, which we can do with the router, but some of these obviously need the tongue made, which I could route either side. With my mitre saw, it's quite easily for me to just set it so that when it drops, I can put a stop on it, so it only drops so far. And then I can just take small adjustments. And in fact, I'll do one actually just to show you what I mean. If that's correct, yes. So, and as you can see, we've started now creating a tongue. Do the same thing on the other side. The only thing that I do have to do is I put a spacer, I use the ruler actually just to bring it away, because you can see at the very end it's not completely flat, and that's just because of the way the saw is, the blade is. So if I bring it out an inch, then I can run all the way through and create it. So the tongues are quite simple for me to do, a lot easier than me putting the slot in, that's for sure. But yeah, there we go.